Decluttering your home can be a daunting task, but it doesn't have to be if you follow these steps. Start with a plan, take a look at your home and identify the areas that need decluttering the most. Create a plan to tackle each area one at a time, starting with the easiest. Set aside enough time. Decluttering can take time, so make sure you set aside enough time to complete the task. You can choose to declutter a room a day or a few hours a day, depending on your schedule. Sort through your belongings. Start by pulling everything out of the space you're decluttering. Sort items into 4 categories: keep, donate/sell, trash, and unsure. Be honest with yourself and only keep the things that you use or truly love. Get rid of the unwanted items. Once you have sorted your belongings, it's time to get rid of the things you don't need. Donate items that are in good condition to a charity, sell items that are worth something, and dispose of the trash. Organize what's left. Once you've decided what to keep, it's time to organize it. Make use of storage solutions such as boxes, shelves, or baskets to keep everything tidy and easy to find. Label everything so you can easily locate items in the future. Keep up the habit. To avoid accumulating more clutter in the future, make it a habit to regularly go through your belongings and get rid of anything you no longer need or want. By following these steps, you'll be able to declutter your home and create a more organized and stress-free living space.